Nice day, isn't it? Directly over my house today, helicopter rubber. It was close too. You know the feeling you get if you're in the hospital getting x-rayed? Well, that's the feeling I got today. Only doing this video because I know they're aware about me and whatever I post on YouTube capture, what I try to do today. And too long a video, and YouTube capture I keep turning. You gotta turn sideways in order for it to work right. I did a video called Running Backwards, was titled this today. Google now owns YouTube and got it to where they limit. You cannot put your videos on auto play now. Only subscribers can see your videos. But sucks. That means you can either use other channels to make their own videos, or if you get enough fan base, like some people do, they do fine still. I don't, obviously. I got about 10 little followers, I guess, so to speak. And that's cool to me. This piece done. I followed them too. But being spied upon for just posting videos, but they just screwed to be illegal activity on my part is scary. And the thing is, our devices are always being used to monitor us, scare tactics by those who want to control us. Getting worse and worse as the years go by. Really nice out today. Trying to enjoy it however I can. Despite having the helicopter upper above my house today. I got a person that's been in jail. People are here. I was nice enough to let them move in with me. Might have been a mistake on my part. So decisions have got to be made on my part now. That's what to do rationally. And I know there's certain police officers that want this house to themselves. Pretty obvious to me by the activity they're displaying. But it sucks because I was inherited this house because I took care of my parents, and I'm a good person, and I don't deserve this. They racked up too much, man, and they suffer from it. Freedom. Is this such thing as freedom, really? Dying for our freedom when there is really none now? mention no security, man. You don't ever mention no security, or get it. You got a helicopter flying over your house. Just saying. Peace, love. I'll see you when I see you. Don't get sent to one of those some council camps anyway for freeing a freedom fighter. Which I'm not really, but they can construe, put a label on me however they want. And who am I to fight as only one person? Take care.